The blue Rawl plug isn't one you see every day, but when you need it, nothing else will do. Let's go through exactly what it's for, what drill bit you need, and which screws pair with it. Blue plugs are used for serious structural fixings. Think exterior gate post, pergolas and decking posts. If brown is your heavy duty plug, blue is your industrial strength option. Now for the drill bit. You need a 10mm masonry bit, and ideally you want to use an SDS drill rather than a standard combi drill for this sized hole. Drilling a clean 10mm hole in dense concrete with a worn out masonry bit is hard work, and you can risk your hole being slightly out of shape, which will affect how well the plug grips. Take your time, let the drill do the work, and make sure the hole is the full depth you need before you try to fit the plug. For fixings, you're typically looking at a coach screw, a hex bolt, or a large number 14 to 18 wood screw, depending on what you're attaching. If you're using a bolt, make sure it's long enough to pass through the bracket or timber and still get a good 40 to 50mm into the plug itself. With heavy fixings, you really don't want to compromise on that. Torque it down firmly, but don't go mad. Over tightening a plug fixings in the masonry can cause the surrounding material to crack, particularly in older brick or block. The blue plug is overkill for standard household jobs, and because of the size and the hole required, it's not something you want to be drilling unnecessarily into walls. If you're ever working into softer stone, aged lime mortar, or anything that feels crumbly as you drill, stop and reassess. A resin anchor or frame fixing might be a better solution than relying on a plug in compromised masonry. So, 10mm hole, large screw or bolt, serious structural fixings only, it's the big one, and when the job demands it, it's exactly what you need. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.